all. I'm audible?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Very good evening, one and all. First of all, My Rehab Academy wishes every one of you a happy Independence Day, and we hope that the safety and security at our country will help us getting prosperous in every day of our life. Today, the wonderful evening we were waiting since quite few months. We were working very hard. Our team has brainstormed very hard, and they came out with one of the best product till date we have ever used. Today is the grand day for My Rehab Academy as well as the members of My Rehab Academy like scientific advisor, scientific coordinator, Dr. Arunachalam sir. And I'm very happy that today Dr. Siddiqui has joined, and in few moments, even Dr. Abhishek Sarma, with whom we started our journey at My Rehab Academy, will be joining us very soon. My Rehab Care, this is the brand we are going to launch today, and logo will be unveiled by our CEO sir in few seconds. My Rehab Care is a single-stop solution for all your healthcare needs. All your healthcare needs, it starts right from emergency to the, like the patient treatment at home, right from the lab to nursing, from rehabilitation to the products, I mean to say the medical products, which is the day-to-day very, very important to be rented or to be used at home at patient's convenience. Then how My Rehab Care is different? My Rehab Care, let me talk about My Rehab Care in two prospects. First, the prospect of professionals, and in the prospect of patients. In the prospect of professional, why should, say for example, a physio, why should a physiotherapist join My Rehab Care? My Rehab Care provides a platform for physiotherapists to increase their visibility in the area they practice or in the area they choose to serve. How do they do it? That is their internal technical process where they match the profile of the physio and the patient who require it. The physiotherapist will be approved by My Rehab Academy, which is well-known brand for internal training as well as the quality monitoring. Recently, My Rehab Academy has been awarded as one of the best brand in India in area of education into physical rehabilitation. In short, if I say that it is one of the best brand awarded for education in medicine. How it has been awarded? Because the story is too long. I can say that when the corona pandemic hit our country, we all were very much anxious and restless. We did not know what to do. Then our team brainstormed, and within 4 days, they came out with a process. Okay, well, we will go for the live streaming classes. And I proudly announce this, that we are among very few in the country who started the live streaming class. And all thanks and credit goes to the CEO sir, who accepted it within few minutes of our proposal. And the live streaming classes is very different from what you see on the YouTube live lecture or maybe the normal online classes. Why? Because in this live streaming classes, we do the practical demonstration on the live model. If we don't do on the live model, we have certain videos which we have done of the program, and then we try to project those video for the better focus and better understanding of our fellow joinees who like to take benefit out of this. And in this corona pandemic lockdown, everything, we have successfully delivered more than 450 hours of the class. That shows our commitment. That shows our selection of the instructors who has been joining us right, not only in India, even outside India. The big names in India and overseas has definitely benefited us in terms of recognition. That's how we were recognized, and last two weeks before, we were selected for one of the best brand in education in rehabilitation. Then at My Rehab Care, it is going to benefit because the physio will be approved from the My Rehab Care and their quality will be monitored at regular interval by My Rehab Academy. My Rehab Academy will be providing them with more than 50,000 small and big volumes of digital library accessible materials. So that shows our another level of commitment where we work very hard to bring the best of research, right from the journals to the old textbooks to the physical diagnosis books. In terms of everything we try to bring to the students. Our team who is maintaining the library, a big thanks to them. The team has been able to get even the books of physical diagnosis which were rare to get. So this shows our commitment for education and training, because we sincerely believe in one word: one person, one professional can never be successful unless he updates himself every day, not just every month. That is how physio will be getting better visibility in terms of the business and practice. Physio will be having, like we say that there is an old term like learn and earn. So learn and earn fits very well with the My Rehab group of companies, I can say, or My Rehab group of institutions. Here, My Rehab Academy will be able to train them with their internal training program, and the experts will be always there to solve their doubts for case-to-case basis also if they want. Our all process is very much digital, and a physio doesn't need to waste any time over the call or over the waiting for any of the thing, right from the inquiry to registration to feedback to finance to I can say like to meeting also. So all the process has been totally done digital. This is how it is going to benefit the professionals who will be joining us. It is not the story of just physiotherapist. It is the story physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, dentist, the medical doctors, as well as the super specialist, which will be phase-wise progress of our My Rehab Care. In My Rehab Care, now I'll be talking about the patient perspective. A patient is, I can tell that they are most of the time restless, anxious, and many of the time they don't even realize that in their relation or any of the acquaintance they are the good professional, but they forget it, mainly because of their restlessness as well as the kind of condition it goes with them. Depending upon the diseases, their kids and kin suffer. What happened? One patient can go to the search engine over our website and can search a physiotherapist, or the best is he can just message a code like MRC or My Rehab Care or certain code to one of our central number, that is 9066990059. The number will be so much popular. They will be getting the list of services. They can just select the number of services they want. They want lab and nursing, 2 and 3 they can select. And after that, the system will be asking, what is your postcode? And that is our USP. What is your PIN code? Once the PIN code is, the person is putting the PIN code into the system, it will show the number of the professionals he has chosen. Suppose he has chosen for the physio. It will be showing some 1, 2, 3, 4, whichever will be impaneled with us, they'll be shown. So according to, of course, with the name, there will be the profile, like the number of year of practice, the specialty, as well as the charts he is opting for. He can directly or she can directly book from then and there itself. And the system is so supportive. On just 2 clicks, a patient can book their appointment. They can see the roster of the particular physiotherapist or the professional of 1 week complete or 1 month complete. So our system is so much updated that it will be going according to the postcode and the city. So now you can imagine, now we want to bring the service, the choice of healthcare of the patient to them at their locality, at their convenience, with the choice of their professionals, that they can make the choice according to the profile view, or according to the maybe the pricing part or anything. And these all things happening at just few clicks. As I told you, 2 clicks for booking and few more clicks for maybe feedback or finance part. These all things, our system is so smooth that we have made it at very reasonable cost. Reasonable cost according to the mega city, according to the tier 2 city, tier 3 city, as well as the rural areas also. Of course, in the phase 1, we'll be starting from the garden city of Bengaluru, and then slowly we'll be spreading to mega city, and then we will be percolating into the skin of our country, I can say the hinterland of our country, that is the tier 3, tier 4 and rural part of the country. Because our team strongly believe that unless we touch the last person in the society, we are not successful. We are successful only and only when we will be able to serve people right from Itanagar to Erode, from Coimbatore to Kargil, from Ladakh to Lakshadweep, and from Somnath to Silchar. So across the length and breadth of this country, our professionals have made a vision to serve the people. Of course, now I want to make it very clear, we are not in competition to anybody. We are totally free, independent organization. We are not into competition to everybody. In fact, we are in support to everybody. You are working in Lakshadweep, just attach with us. You will get facility, your people will know about you, you will be popular in the local area, and you will be progressing. That is our progress. So My Rehab Care progress always depends upon your progress. With the motto of patient first, we believe in our 4 things. Our belief is spiritual, our principle is universal, our work is professional, and our resource is local. So we believe in the local empowerment. With the motto of making our country self-reliable, we have taken a big task in our hand, and I want a sincere, I want quite sincerely a request from you guys, that I have a request that kindly support us in this mission, because my father always says, healthcare is not a competition. Healthcare is a mission. The day I have devoted myself to the healthcare, I have to look for a mission of serving every possible needy people within our capacity. So with this small points, at last, I would like to hand over to our CEO sir, or CFO, Dr. Diwakar. Sir is there? Sir is there?
Yeah, Dr. Diwakar, please continue.
Yeah. Kindly unmute yourself, sir, and please continue.
Yeah, Diwakar.
Namaste, Arunachalam sir. Namaste Siddiqui sir and all my dear friends. I'm so happy to become a part of My Rehab Care, and and this is our like theme and our dream to make our My Rehab Care as a integral part, and we are all the academic as well as the physical training of the academic as well the clinical will be the joint here. So first we started with the My Rehab Academy with the successful. We have started this. We have joined actually. We have added one more service to them, that is a clinical all both. So what we have thought, why we thought sir, because in our clinical basis the new physiotherapists, they are every year they will join sir. Every year they are joining in the different clinics, but the proper training is not happening. Once they will get the certificate of MPT or BPT, they will join. So what we thought sir, if they will join for the clinical, the new physiotherapist, they can also get benefited by this one. We will run the proper training for them, the different courses, different techniques for the physiotherapists who have joined newly joined in the clinics. So in this way we can also help them. So this is our motto sir, and thank you so much to come and join with us. So now our CFO Dr. Sumanjit will take care. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Arunachalam sir, Siddiqui sir, and whole team of My Rehab Academy and My Rehab Care as well. So basically why we started My Rehab Care. So thing is, everywhere is webinar classes, everywhere training is going on. But the thing is, people are like, all students like, after joining the job or any kind of job, they are very much, that is very difficult to go to attend workshops to any city or whatever. The thing is, if we come to the My Rehab Academy or My Rehab Care, so as a clinic or as a physio, if they join My Rehab Care, they will be, the training will be provided by My Rehab Academy, and the whatever the training, it will be like the fully practical base, and whatever in the market what is happening, all the upgraded techniques uh, will be taught by the all experts from the field, and no need to go anywhere. So the thing is that, so My Rehab Care, that is the main motto to excel all the physios from India. So that is our goal. So we're looking forward from everyone. Now we are now for now over to Dr. Kalim. Actually, he wants to say something. Dr. Kalim.
Kalim sir is a bit busy, I believe. Clinic.
No, no.
He's.
Yeah. Yeah, Dr. Kalim.
Yeah, Kalim sir.
Thank you for all participants, for Arunatalam sir and Siddiq sir, my team, behalf of everyone. So this our My Rehab Care is our motto for only for whatever Divakar told, the same thing only. So I hope you and all guys to everyone to do all the things. So our motto will be follow these things, sir. So My Rehab Care is hopefully all of you pray forward, we support to all of them.
Yeah. So next, over to Arunatalam sir.
Very warm good evening to one and all present here. I'm so happy and delighted. When it comes to My Rehab, I always smile and I always be at home. Thank you, my dear Dr. Saurav Sandilya, Dr. Kalimullah, Dr. Divakar, and last but not least, Dr. Sumanjit, CEO, the man with the sound background. Thank you so much for including me into the team of My Rehab Academy. With you guys present, I always feel young and I always feel happy. Someone told me that with the amount of webinars happening nowadays, we are all bored and we are all become psychotic because of the number of webinars being conducted. So my idea is, if you are looking only certificates, if you are only looking for record, this will be confusing and it will be very boring. But if you are looking for knowledge, that process do not have any end, and you have to keep on attending knowledge gaining process. That is always a continuous process in your life. So when a person says I'm very bored up with webinars, that means he is just a fake person who is only behind certificates. So in that way, why I'm saying this thing is, My Rehab Academy is persistently conducting webinars, and they are knocking the doors of people who are willing to learn from experts. They are bringing the experts to their home step, and they are doing this service very consistently, very honestly. How many of them will do honestly, I don't know, but My Rehab supports the candidates who believe in them and coming with them to attend the program. By means of delaying the program by 10 minutes or 15 minutes to facilitate the entry of the candidates, or giving them a recorded version of the program in case if they miss the program. So it's a user-friendly manual, and I'm very happy for that. And dreaming is not always sufficient, my dear friends. We should have dream with an objective. And that is where you guys are very successful. You have an objective and you are dreaming towards the objective. Even if I fall, I always want to fall forwards. I really don't want to fall backwards. There should be falls in your life. The falls should be forward. You should know on what you are falling, on what grounds you are falling, where you are making mistake, and you should analyze that. So if at all I fall, I would like to fall forward. So I take this opportunity to greet you people who are very good entrepreneurs, also apart from being physiotherapy professionals, who are not simply happy with My Rehab Academy and who want to keep improvising with another venture on My Rehab Care, that too on this auspicious day of Independence Day. Uh, Always say, people say that it is very essential for you to think differently, think novelly. But I always say you have to think on a regular basis. You have to have a basement very strong. Your basics should be very strong. Only when you have your basics strong, and if you are going through the basics, then you have the liberty of thinking beyond the basics. Then you can think about different things. Then you can think about novel things and all these things. So it is very important to know the need of the situation. Now the need of Sauravji clearly panicked. So they don't know what to do. Even the most educated people, once they are subjected to corona or subjected to pain as such, they are confused what to do. So in this situation, if we are coming up with a platform to support people, then that is the best thing we are doing, because always professionalism is a parallel thing. You should earn, you should serve. When you serve, you can earn very nicely. When you earn very nicely, you should not leave this service. So you are keeping your feet landed very strongly on these two pedals, so you will go a long way. There is a very significant Tamil saying which says that வெள்ளத்தனைய மலர் நீட்டம் மாந்தர்தம் உள்ளத்தனைய உயர்வு. That means, however, the lotus flowers you see, more the water level goes up, the flower also goes up. The leaves of the flower also goes up with the water level rising. So the standards and the circumstances, if it is demanding, you should raise your standards. That is the quality of a good person. More higher you think about yourself, more higher dreams you have about yourself, the height you go and you reach the levels. And more than everything, if you, I am very happy that I am with God fearing people. Always God fearing people will have this consciousness that somebody is watching us from top, so they will never do any mistake. Their consciousness will stop them from doing some mistakes. So God fearing people are the one whom we can blindly trust, and youths who are believing in God, that's a very good sign. But that's why I was very happy when he said I'm more God fearing. So my prayers for the success of My Rehab Care, and whatever contribution you want me to do, I am ready to do. And my very good friend, Dr. Muhammad Siddiq, with whom I have a very small duration of association, maybe for 7 or 8 months of association, but the bonding is too high. Even I message my wife, or not every day I message Siddiq. I talk with Siddiq more than I talk with my kids. So I'm so happy that he's also here. And this team on paper looks very strong, and on the ground level also will be very strong. Thank you so much for inviting me, and my fullest cooperation for the program. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot, sir.
Thank you,
So
sir.
now next, Dr. Siddiqui sir, Mohammed Siddiqui sir, over to you.
Thank you so much. First of all, a very good evening, everyone, and to all my teachers and everyone who's watching us. Arunathalam sir is always, it's always fun to be with him, and it's always actually when I'm with sir, no, I feel that it's always a learning experience for me. And always tell my students or whom I teach or my friends that you should always have a mentor, a teacher who is like Arunathalam sir, Kule sir, even Faisal sir, my all mentors. They have always been so good, and what I have felt that when you told me about this My Rehab Care, so I thought that it is a platform where professionals can register for free, and they can cater their services if they are having a kind of attitude, or they are having a kind of expertise with them. They can reach to the masses and they can give their quality care, and they can also earn their livelihood and improve their life. That's very important. And as sir told that, even my missus also tells me that you're always busy, Arunachal sir. I told, see, he is my boss. So it is normal. It is a universal phenomena that your wives will come to know that who is daily you are talking and chatting. Because even I emailed to sir that, sir, what about this research? I learn a lot from sir, and it's always a good learning experience in research. And what I feel that you might be also knowing about our tenure ICRA, that is Indian Clinical Association. When we started this, you know that as I heard one of speaker telling that dreams, you should see dreams. What I believe that if you see a dream, if you want see a dream, but you should be able to fulfill that. Dream seek is not only you are just seeing a dream and forget. No, what I believe that I had a dream before 3 years that I want to start a platform of research for everyone in India or any profession. It's not only physio. They can be OTs, they can be any rehab professionals who want to learn research under us, who want to understand that how it works. And in our field, physiotherapy, what we have seen that people, more than 70%, this is stats I'm telling you, that 70% of physios still follow the things that is hypothetical things. We don't know exactly whether we have the evidence available or not. We are, for example, if you are using TENS for low back pain, chronic low back pain, it is not now with the Petro scale we have, the Petro score we have, or the research we have, the meta-analysis, it says that TENS is not required for chronic low back pain. We have the research now, but still I see people are using that. So to break that shallows, we always feel that if you want to go good care, first of all, you should learn that what is important, that you should have the evidence that, and you should support that. If I ask you as a, now, you know, it is, I think I have learned in my career, 7 to 8 years, I'm working in clinical research. What I learned that I had a lot of mistakes. I was doing mistakes as a, even I was, I've been 21 years in field now, in physiotherapy field, when I went to Mangalore for my studies. Till before 10 years, I was still using the same protocol. I didn't know which one is good or authentic. And I felt that there is a gap or lacuna that we need a platform where we can teach them that this is the right protocol. And with this, you can benefit the patient. Now, there are, if you are choosing a protocol, there are two things. One is, do you know the protocol? And second is the protocol reliable? As Arunachalam sir was taking a class in the last webinar of ICRA, sir spoke about reliability and validity. So I have one very good example of that. I always give in my talks. If, for example, if you have 5 patients, you have 5 ladies coming to you as a patient, or even men. Let's not be gender biased. If we have 5 patients and their weight is, one is 50 kgs, one is 60, one is 70, and so on. One is 80, 90. If you have a weighing scale, if the weighing scale is stuck at 50, now I will tell all patients to measure your, because I want to check their BMI, I will tell them to weigh on the scale. Now the machine will show that everybody's weight was 50. So that means that scale is valid, but is it reliable? No, it is not reliable. Because why? You are seeing that there are some are fat, some are thin, some are mesomorph, some endomorph. So you have to understand that. That is what sir told about reliability. This is what I have learned from a professor, that a scale can be valid, but it can't be reliable. So you have to look for reliable. Same way, if you are using a protocol for one condition, is it valid? Is it reliable? It's very important. So what I will suggest to you, the My Rehab Care, that if you are selecting professionals across India for particular patients, first of all, you should know that do they have the knowledge, do they have the skills, and are they aware of the current protocol which is to be used for the patient care. So that will have two things. One is that it can improve the quality of care to the patient. Second thing is the outcome will be very good. That's very important. Sir was talking about the outcome. It was our talk, so I am just telling about that. The outcome is very important. What is your outcome after giving certain protocol? So this is what I believe, that if you want to really help the community, we should have a system placed there where you can screen professionals, you can teach them. You see, knowing doesn't mean you don't know, but do you have the thirst to learn something? That's very important. So I believe that you might have the faculty or even us, we can help you to deliver the quality to them, that this is the protocol for particular condition, and they can then deliver the best. And it should be evidence based. That's what we stress about us. And with that words, I will not take much time. I think that already there are big names and faces than me. I'm just a small part of the fraternity. I will like to congratulate, and I hope that this will go a long way, and it can also help, as we also say that you have to learn and earn together. It's the best way. That is how you can serve the community in a best possible way. With these words, I will tag that over to you back, and if anything is there, you can add. And thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So over to Saurabh.
Yeah, I'm actually. I'm still waiting for Dr. Abhishek. I'm still waiting for Dr. Abhishek. I'm not getting any message from him. Probably he's busy. And then me and Divakar are desperately waiting for one of our best lecturer in college who taught us not just physio, not just neurophysio, but even the discipline. But still, I think he has been into extension of his meeting. So we are trying to catch of him. So it was too nice of Dr. Arunachalam sir, always inspirational for us, as well as Dr. Siddiq. I heard him for the very first time, and it exactly coincided with personally my frequency. I mean, this is what my problem is. Like, I take time for the patient, and then I feel like why it is only correct. Why I should not have a interjection of the method and can create a new protocol. Probably this was the reason that one of the hospital I did not get my first job after my bachelor, because it was a huge discussion on the low back pain and then somehow whatever. But still, I always believe the research and training is the backbone of the real delivery. What nicely put by Dr. Siddiq. A big clap for you, sir. A big clap for Arunachalam, sir. And with this, you can just message MRC29066990059. You will get the explainer video, or CEO sir, if you can just share it. Yeah, yes, this is the code. If you can just write this code to this number, if you do it on WhatsApp, you will get the explainer video. That video itself explains like how are we going to progress from tomorrow onward. So I'll be extending these things even on the Facebook, and I would request you to share with your friends and juniors so that they can get attached with us. And then of course, it's again a request from you guys that our monitoring process, our quality auditing process, which is the key to the My Rehab Care, has to be done quite regularly and needs a lot of help from you, so that we can actually choose, we can come to know what is the voice of our patients. What do they want actually? I have seen people been, like replacing their nursing staff for more than 20 times in a year. Not every nursing staff is wrong, not even the patient is wrong. I'm talking about even apple is sweet, even banana is sweet. But I personally don't like apple, maybe. I like more of banana. I like more of guava. I don't like grapes. That doesn't mean that both are not sweet. So that's what we want to come, because we are human beings and the analytical skills are fairly very important to understand what is what. So our algorithm process will definitely help us. It may take us for about for a period of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, but we will go phase wise. We will go phase wise in terms of professionals, in terms of the areas we serve, and then I'm not sure when, not immediately, but definitely My Rehab Care will win a day. Thank you. Thank you so much. Over to you, CEO sir. Is there any notice from?
Yeah, now just I'm playing the video, explainer video, so that.
Yeah, please play the video. In meanwhile, I'll making contact.
Hi, are you worried about going to hospitals or clinics because of the corona pandemic? Or are you worried about getting the best healthcare professionals like doctors, physios, dentists, nurses, lab services, or rented medical equipments and more? If yes, then your problem days are gone. My Rehab Care brings you a complete healthcare solution under one platform with one protocol and one unique price policy all across India with quality assurance backed by My Rehab Academy India. We provide you knowledgeable, reliable and cost-effective healthcare professionals and medical equipments straight at your doorstep. My Rehab Care has cumulative 35 plus years of healthcare experience and we bring you a minimum 15 plus years of experienced doctors.
Video is not coming, Sumanjit.
Okay, just I'm requesting everyone just write MRC to MRC and send
Yeah.
it to.
Sorry for interruption. CEO sir, sorry for interruption. Abhishek Sharma sir is joining within few minutes.
Oh,
Just I'm requesting everyone to do these things, whatever it's showing in the screen, so that you'll get a.
Explainer video, yeah.
Just write MRC from your WhatsApp and just send it to this number. Just write MRC. Hope you got it. Actually, hope you got the explainer video link.
yeah, but Abhishek sir joined.
Hope you got. Everyone got it.
We can't play here.
Let me try once.
हेलो एवरीवन,
नमस्ते नमस्ते सर.
नमस्ते
कैसे
सर.
हैं आप सब लोग? आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद सर. थैंक यू.
एक और नया जो है आपने शुरू किया है और डेफिनेटली बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट आइडिया है और बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहेगा. ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म की जरूरत है बहुत ज्यादा हेल्थ केयर.
धन्यवाद सर. धन्यवाद सर. थैंक यू.
सर.
डॉक्टर सौरभ. हेलो डॉक्टर सौरभ.
Please introduce me.
Yeah, Dr. Sir, please introduce.
I introduce Dr. Abhishek Sharma. He has just joined a few moments back. He is a HOD at Sri Rama Himalayan University at Dehradun. He is the person with whom we started our journey at My Rehab Academy. So he is not just lucky for us, he is also one of the
Yeah, I think some
lot of
disconnect.
discipline. So Dr. Abhishek Sharma sir, please give your some of the inspirational word for our new venture. We are waiting desperately to listen from you.
Thank you, Dr. Saurav. I think all of us are quite comprehensible with English and Hindi both, I think. There are quite familiar faces. I'm not aware of Dr. Mohammad Siddiqui, sir, but I have heard your name, sir. I've never met you personally, but and Dr. Arunachalam, yes,
Thank
we
you.
have.
Thank you, sir.
I have listened to his lectures on YouTube as well as live through My Rehab Academy platform. Dr. Karimullah, Dr. Divakar, and of course, the mastermind of My Rehab Academy. So,
No, sir. Everyone, sir. All are masters.
yes. So it's so nice to see that people from different parts of India actually are coming up on a common platform, and they all are brilliant minds. And now this new venture that we are talking about right now, which My Rehab Academy is launching, I think it's called My Rehab Care. And it is a very common thing to be done right now, and it has a lot of importance. There are many patients, especially because you are right now launching it for the urban population. But I am sure that this platform is going to reach distant areas, rural locations, people who are actually not having facility to avail healthcare services. Because this platform is going to give opportunity not only to provide healthcare persons that can come at your home or at the doorstep and provide you the facility. I'm sure tele healthcare is also going to come as a part of this common platform, where healthcare professionals can give their advice, consultation, and treatment tips online through virtual platforms. And I wish you all the very best. And we are looking forward to your presentations, what you have prepared, which will describe us more about the healthcare services. So carry on, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
So-
you,
Thank you.
Vivek, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, Dr. Sumajit, can you just play the video?
Yeah, one second. I think some issue in that one. So that's why I just told only you'll get the things by just put it. Yeah, just do this, everyone, so that you'll get it immediately the video to your WhatsApp.
So I take this opportunity to greet Abhishek Sharma, sir. My experience with Abhishek Sharma, sir, I think I can reveal here. I commented in one of his video in a presentation, and he took a lot of time in answering me. And after that, we came to know about each other. And the thing is, when I went into his videos, I came to know so much of generated by a physiotherapy. It was all very inspiration, because I became a YouTuber only by the chance of this COVID, because I was sitting at home. I didn't have any other routine, so I wanted to teach, because a teacher is always like a addicted person, alcoholic addict. He always wants to teach. So when I started this, I was wondering, how come physiotherapists will see, how many will see? When I came to know about Abhishek sir's videos, they have thousands and thousands of people coming and watching him, and he has around 27,000 subscribers. And here he comes, sits so piously, and he wish everyone. And he's so grounded, and he's so successful because he's grounded, and he takes time to answer his people and subscribers. And I really love that quality, sir. And you are inspiration for people like us who are starting up with some small effort in reaching out to the community at large.
Thank you, Doctor Saab. Thank you. And my only motto is that one should always be ready to share as much as he can, and one should always be ready to learn. As you said, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि मुझे भी सीखने को मिला, same way your lectures were quite inspirational, especially when I went through your YouTube channel. Only after I came to know, you commented on my, then I came to know about you, then I went to your YouTube channel. And then I saw, and I was so happy, because whenever I see a physio who is doing good, I feel so good, because this is what we need to do. We need to improve the quality of care. We need to improve the standards of physiotherapy across India. And this can only be done when brilliant minds, people like all of us, come together and do good for the society.
Okay. Saurabh, Dr. Saurabh. Yeah, Dr. Saurabh.
Yeah. 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 I'm audible. Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
There was some echo. Thank you so much, Dr. Abhishek Sharma, sir. You have been always guiding light for us. And once you just type the code MRC29090669900, which will be, I'm sure that within 6 months it will be one of the number, which will be the number most of the lips in India after some time. I'm sure we'll make it like that. Then you will get the explainer video, and that in explainer video it is very rightly mentioned that the patient has to put the code and the pin code, and the services will be available at their pin code, at their choice of services they want. And right from the emergency to hospital, home to hospitals to the rehabilitation center, we are coming up with most of the things. Of course, we will go with the phase wise. So, and then how it is important for the physios to attach. Number one, it will provide them opportunity to be approved by the My Rehab Academy's internal training program by the pioneer people like you. And second thing, that it will give them access to have a free access to have a digital library where the more than 50,000 volumes our team has already put, so that they can go through that. And the third thing, that their visibility at their pin code will be much higher. And these all things we are going to do without any cost. So it is very good for the person who are coming out of the cost and then learning with My Rehab Academy, as well as getting attached and then tracking My Rehab Care's patient database. That's how we are like still, we haven't started our patient. So we are going to start from the Bangalore, and then in coming time, slowly phase wise, we'll be increasing with the number of cities, states, as well as the complete country. In my introductory speech only, I told we will be successful only and only, we will be set successful only and only when we'll be able to answer the need of the people, right from Itanagar to Erode, or Kargil to Coimbatore, or Ladakh to Lakshmi. So across the length and breadth of this country, it is possible only and only when the people like you will be giving us support in terms of quality auditing as well as the quality monitoring. So this is how. So this was the like a planned brand launch. Brand launch for today. So it was a wonderful inauguration function because you all three joined. I think Dr. Diwakar is still trying our lecturer, Dr. Sundar sir. So if he joins, that's very good. Because he was the fourth person also out of four. These four guests we invited for our brand launch, and I'm thankful to our panel of the instructors, also the Dr. Arunachalam sir, Dr. Abhishek sir, and then and then a few more instructors who have been quite regular with My Rehab Academy's internal, My Rehab Academy's workshop as well as the online program. Of course, Abhishek Sharma sir has not still joined our online live streaming classes, but I'm sure that one fine day we'll catch him for that also. He is very busy with his daily schedule. We understand that, sir. And I'm very much thankful to my CEO, and I want to say him thanks for giving me job in your company. That too in a very important post, which is I'm the in charge for the communication as well as the strategy department. And
Okay.
I'm very thankful even for Divakar, who is very much
I think also
sound
you are
into the
taking
finance
care of the
part.
monetary funds.
So
And then, of course, Dr. Kalimullah sir, who has been very patient and calm with me and always been a guiding light for me for anything, for any advice we go for. Like he's the first person we all three contact him. So for anything, if he says no, then we make them understand like how it is possible. Then he says yes. So this is how our team is, and these four people, like four pillar of My Rehab Academy as well as from My Rehab Care. I hope that this will be one of the, I'm not into any competition. As I told, like our organization is not into any competition. We are for excellence. The reason behind that we had got the award because we did not even know that just because of the COVID lockdown and Corona crisis, people are so much fed up and physios sitting at home. But we tried working so hard on the live streaming classes. And I mean, slowly that company said one day, he called up the CEO and told that your company has been selected and just put your nomination file and everything you do because you people have done wonderful job in the Corona crisis. Means keeping the people away from the depression. And as Arunachalam sir was also saying that there are many webathon is going on, webinar is going on. I can tell you, I won't name, but more than 20 students of our My Rehab Academy and few of them from the Arunachalam sir class also comment very nicely in their friends group that webinar is not good and all, but they definitely join the My Rehab Academy's class because they know the quality we have here, because they know that, and they join quite regularly. They keep asking, sir, anything you are coming up with the new dry needling, or you are coming up with something like a cardiopulmonary classes or any differential diagnosis. So that is how we have. Slowly the work has started, physios are being engaged. So I feel that there are less demand for webinar thing. And then we are waiting for the government regulation. Once the government regulation is on and we are into the safe zone, we will definitely hit back to our physical workshop. And our instructor, Arunachalam sir and Abhishek sir, please be ready. You, both of you have to appear for the first 2 months of our physical workshop. And Dr. Siddiq sir, whom I heard for the first time, I liked a lot his idea behind the research, and that is how it has to be replicated in the work. So Siddiq sir, we will work together so that we can formulate some of our program, and then we can actually come up with the idea how to make people feel, the physio fraternity feel that yes, evidence based physical medicine is only thing to be practiced. That is possible only and only when it comes from the research. So thank you so much, Abhishek sir, for joining. Thank you so much, Arunachalam sir, and of
Thank you
course
so much.
Dr. Siddiq sir.
I
Thank you
think
so much for joining us for grand launch. It will be a memorable day for us, auspicious occasion on 15th of August. I think Divakar sir is playing the explainer video. Sir, you can play. Put a sound.
साउंड नहीं आ रहा है.
Put sound, sir.
worried about going to hospitals or clinics because of the corona pandemic? Or are you worried about getting the best healthcare professionals like doctors, physios, dentists, nurses, lab services, or rented medical equipments and more? If yes, then your problem days are gone. My Rehab Care brings you a complete healthcare solution under one platform with one protocol and one unique price policy all across India with quality assurance backed by My Rehab Academy India. We provide you knowledgeable, reliable and cost-effective healthcare professionals and medical equipments straight at your doorstep. My Rehab Care has cumulative 35 plus years of healthcare experience, and we bring you a minimum 15 plus years of experienced doctors, nursing care and lab services. And we also provide rental medical equipments, mobile X-ray facility, pharmacy and even home ICU setup. You can now consult online 24/7 with renowned super specialist doctors like orthopedics, neurologists, pediatricians, psychologists and more from top hospitals of India like Apollo, Manipal, Nimhans, Narayana Health and others just by a click from your mobile. Just put your PIN code wherever you need services all across India and you can check all nearby My Rehab Care healthcare professionals details and MRC Associate Clinic details, and you can immediately book your required services. All My Rehab Care recovery experts are highly trained and get regularly upgraded through My Rehab Academy, an internationally acclaimed healthcare education academy that has won the Best Brand in Healthcare Education Award in the year 2019-20. To book your healthcare services, just type MRC and WhatsApp to 9066 990059 and My Rehab Care recovery expert will assist you in a short while. For more details, visit our website www.myrehabcare.in or call us on our 24/7 hotline number 9066 990059.
Nice, good.
Yeah. So hope you like, sir.
हाँ, आपके पास फोन आया करेंगे कुछ टाइम बाद के भाई हमें एमआरए से जोड़ लो, हमें एमआरसी से जोड़ लो.
So main purpose is to give the best training for the means as we told before, the learning and earning. The main thing is that learning through My Rehab Academy and whatever the best service you will get through My Rehab Care.
So main challenge for the team will be to maintain the quality and not compromise on the people you certify.
Yes, sir.
Because if you say someone has an MRA physio or MRA doctor, you should have certain guidelines. Based on these guidelines only, you are going to certify him as an MRA certified healthcare person. So that would be the main thing, how you grow up this thing, because quality is the main component of success. Same way as you can see the OYO. OYO was a company that was set up by a young entrepreneur, and he is a multi-billionaire today just because he never compromised on the quality. He gave certifications only after upgrading these services. So I think you can do, you all are good brains, good people, kind heart, and you will do good, I am sure.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Please guide us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So by this we can conclude the
Thank you so much. And I just want to greet Abhishek sir. Abhishek sir, thank you so much. I hope to see you soon in India and
Thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you. And I hope अभी हम लोग टच में भी रहेंगे, and please do share your contact details.
Sure, sir.
ताकि मैं
Sure,
आपका
sir.
नंबर
We'll
सेव
have
कर लूँ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर अरुणाचलम आपका भी प्लीज नंबर शेयर करना है. और डॉक्टर सौरभ कर सकते हैं इस काम को, उनके पास सबके नंबर हैं.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, we'll do, sir.
Have a great
We'll
day.
do it, sure. Yeah,
Thank
now
you,
only
sir. It is always-
we'll share your number, sir.
क्या है ना कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज मिलते रहना चाहिए हर जगह से, तो
Yes, sir.
वो अच्छा रहता है वो जो है.
Yes. Fine, sir. Thanks.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much for joining today's evening. It was the memorable day, and with
Yeah,
your
really.
all permission, because you have taken your precious time out of your family as well as work. So, with you all permission, then we can conclude. And our responsibility starts from here much more. The day we have more power, it is not just power; it's the power with responsibility. So, I think I don't know how much, but we have shouldered the responsibility for a very long time, for very much weight. So I will take it as a responsibility, not the weight. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
See
you,
you
sir.
on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Night,
Thank
good
you.
night. Okay.
Good night.
Night.
Good night.